today's dynamic business landscape, effectively managing service and repair costs is critical for profitability and customer satisfaction. Infor CloudSuite Industrial Syteline, a comprehensive ERP software solution, offers robust tools to streamline cost management, empowering businesses to deliver exceptional service while controlling expenses. CloudSuite Industrial Syteline enables real-time tracking of service and repair costs, providing immediate insights into labor, parts, and overhead expenses. This visibility enables quick, informed decision making by managers, preventing cost overruns and identifying areas to improve efficiency. Additionally, CSI Syteline's integrated inventory management system accurately deducts parts used in service and repair, saving time and minimizing errors associated with manual entry. This ensures precise cost estimates based on the latest inventory levels, further enhancing operational efficiency. Managing service and repair costs is essential for competitiveness and customer satisfaction. Infor's CloudSuite Industrial Syteline enables businesses to track, manage, and analyze costs in real time for service and repair operations.